Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you're all doing great. This is your English teacher, Dinesh sir. And Dinesh sir is going to teach you today an English grammar. And the topic for the day is Unit 2 Vowels and Consonants. I repeat, Unit 2 Vowels and Consonants. So let's start the chapter. I will explain you each and everything of the chapter, and you should also keep this chapter open in front of you. So let's start now. Alright children, so as you know, in the last chapter I had told you that there are 26 letters, right? You know that very well, right? 26 letters in English alphabet. We have an English alphabet that is A, B, C, D and all. There are 26 letters, right, in English alphabet. And out of them, 5 are called vowels. How many? 5. And they are A, E, I, O, U. I repeat, there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Alright? And other than these 5, 26 में से 5 ये हैं और उसके अलावा जो हैं, other than all the 5, rest are consonants, and there are 21 consonants. So 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. Clear? So out of 26, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. All these letters are consonants, right? Let me repeat everything one more time. There are 26 letters. Out of 26, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. Alright? The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and rest of them are called consonants. Alright? So now children, let's find vowels and consonants in different words. For example, this is a word C-A-T, cat, right? Cat is a word, but can you spot a vowel and consonant here? Yes, easily. As I told you, there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. So out of them, there is one that is here, and this is a vowel. Can you see this? A is a vowel and rest of these 2 are consonants. In the same way, here is another word P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. So parrot is a word and in which there are 2 vowels, that is A and O. These 2 are vowels and rest of them are called consonants like P, R, R, T. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are consonants and these 2 are vowels. Alright? And here another word we have is M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Monkey, right? So in the monkey, there are 2 vowels. One is this O and another one is this E. So these 2 are vowels and rest of them are called consonants, M and K, Y. These are consonants. Alright? Now we have learned about vowels and consonants. Now children, let me show you a video through which you will be able to understand each and everything about vowels and consonants. So here is the video.
Vowels and consonants. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet family. Letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All letters other than vowels are called consonants. Let us find vowels in words. C-A-T, cat. Here, A is a vowel. H-E-N, hen. Here, E is a vowel. K-I-D, kid. Here, I is a vowel. O-W-L, owl. Here, O is a vowel. G-L-U-E, glue. Here, U and E are vowels. In the words cat, hen, kid, owl and glue, the letters other than the vowels are consonants. In C-A-T, cat, C and T are consonants. In H-E-N, hen, H and N are consonants. In K-I-D, kid, K and D are consonants. In O-W-L, owl, W and L are consonants. In G-L-U-E, glue, G and L are consonants.
Alright children, so now I hope you have enjoyed that video, and now let's have some exercises for the vowels and consonants. Alright, so the first exercise here we have is circle the vowels only. You have to circle only vowels. So first one here is B, C, E, F. Can you spot a vowel here? Yes, easily. We know that E is a vowel. And second one we have S, T, W, A. Here also we can spot A is a vowel. In the third one, O, R, Y, X, O is a vowel. In the fourth letter, we have I. This is a vowel. In the 5, U is a vowel. In the sixth one, we have E. E is a vowel. Alright? Now second exercise is circle the consonants only. Now you need to circle the consonants. Now don't remember the vowels. Here you have to circle the consonants, not the vowels. Alright? So the first word we have here is A, E, I, D. Now you know that A is a vowel, E is also a vowel, I is also a vowel. So there is only one left, and that is D. So D is a consonant. In the second word we have C. It is a consonant. Here C is a consonant. Alright. Now in the third one we have A vowel hai, E is a vowel, O is also vowel, and here G will be there, not O. This is wrong. Alright. This is the right answer. J is the correct answer, because we have to circle consonants, not the vowel. Now fourth one we have X. X is a consonant here. In the fifth one we have V. V is a consonant here. In the sixth one we have P. P is a consonant. Alright. Now let's move on to the next exercise. fill in the blanks with correct vowels and learn spelling for the spellwell activity. So here there is a spelling along with the picture, but the spelling has some missing numbers, missing vowels. So you have to fill those blanks with vowels only. That means there will be only vowel in the fill-ups like A, E, I, O, U. Out of these 5, you have to fill the correct one. So first one is a parrot, right? Can you see the picture of parrot? So here the correct spelling will be P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Now this is a picture of butter. Let's talk about butter. This is a picture of butter. So here B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. And here this is a picture of queen. So the correct spelling for the queen is Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Then this is a picture of computer. So the computer's spelling is C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. And here we have a laptop, and the spelling for the laptop can be L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop. Alright? And this is a picture of horse. So the spelling can be H-O-R-S-E, horse. Alright? Now let's move on to the next exercise. Complete the words with correct vowels using the hints. Learn the spellings too. Again the same kind of exercise, but this time you have a hint here. By using this hint, you have to complete the spelling with vowels only. So in here also the fill-ups boxes, there might be only one vowel, no consonants. So what can be the first one? The hint is name of a fruit, PPL. So the right answer can be A-P-P-L-E, apple. So first one is apple. And the second one, the hint is we use it in rain. What do we use in rain? We use umbrella, right? So the spelling can be umbrella. So here U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Children, you have to learn all these spellings, alright? I will ask all these spellings later on during the oral test, alright? Now for the third one, we have a hint, and the hint is a part of our body which starts with F. So it can be finger, right? So F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Finger is the correct spelling here. And the fourth one we have name of a bird. What can be the name of a bird here? It is pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Alright? Then fifth one is we go here to study. Where do we go to study? We go to school, right? So here the spelling can be school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Alright? So now children, this is time for your homework, and the homework is solve the worksheet in your notebook, solve the textbook exercises with the help of study material that is already provided. As I told you children, I will provide you one study material on the WhatsApp. You have to download that study material, in which there will be one worksheet. That worksheet you have to solve in your notebook. Alright? Worksheet आपको notebook में solve करनी है, और जो textbook के exercises हैं वो सारे की सारे exercises के solutions मैंने इस study material में provide किया हुआ है. So you have to download that study material and complete your classwork. Alright? So that's it for today children. Thank you very much.